A teacher is planning a trip with her children. Shall we listen to them? Then we can plan our trip. Hi, children. Shall we go on a picnic? Where do you like to go?
Teacher, shall we go to Candy?
Teacher, shall we go to Jaffna?
No, teacher, we will go to Nuvarelia.
Do you know the places that we can visit in these cities?
No, teacher, but we can find some places.
So, how are you going to find information? Do you know what this is?
No, teacher.
This is a brochure. It gives us information about places and the sites that we can visit. So, a brochure can give us information about places of interest and also things you can do there. And also, it persuades us to go visit these amazing destinations. But, my dear children, keep in mind you have to use interesting and exciting words when you are making a brochure. Then only a person will have the urge to visit a place. So, kids, you can make a brochure by using different shapes. Select a shape and design the brochure. Here you can see some examples of some brochures made by kids like you. So, don't you like to make brochures? Choose one of must-see holiday destination in Sri Lanka and make a beautiful brochure using interesting and exciting words. Thank you so much, children. Have a nice day.